Do you ever wake up and wonder what in the microbiome is going on down there? 1 minute, your gut is digesting like a champ. The next, it's staging a full-blown rebellion. Turns out, your gut has its own whole ecosystem. And when that ecosystem goes rogue, there can be some serious consequences, with some new research showing even some cancers are tied to gut dysbiosis or gut dysfunction. Cancer. The word alone makes everyone sit up a little straighter. It's like the uninvited guest who shows up at your party and refuses to leave. And scientists are starting to understand that the gut microbiome and the trillions of bacteria and other microbes that make up this system may play a bigger role than we ever imagined. And some of those microscopic buddies, well, they actually might be stirring up trouble. And that's where gut dysbiosis comes in. What if we could call in reinforcements? What if we could evict the bad guys and bring in some gut superheroes? Well, that's where FMT comes in. FMT. Fecal Microbiota Transplantation. Yes, we know it sounds weird. Taking gut bacteria from a healthy, top-tier donor and putting it into a struggling gut. It kind of sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but it's not. It's science, real cutting-edge science. Studies show that FMT can help reboot the gut microbiome, replacing bad bacteria with good ones. Imagine replacing a toxic work environment with a dream team who actually know what they're doing. Productivity goes up, harmony is restored, and your gut finally gets to relax. Here's the kicker. Scientists are now looking into how FMT may help with treating cancers. Early research suggests that a balanced microbiome may influence how someone responds to cancer treatments. That means like chemo and immunotherapy potentially working better because the gut is in tip-top shape. Your gut isn't just there to digest your breakfast burrito. It's pretty much the control center for your whole body. And scientists are finding out that it may have a say in how we respond to cancer treatments and how many different conditions work. So, get your gut in a healthy order and it may return the favor. If you're wondering where to start, you're in the right place. At Novel Biome, we are exploring the frontiers of microbiome science and how it relates to conditions like cancer. Because sometimes the biggest problems may have answers in the smallest places. If you're a healthcare provider, reach out and connect with us. We'd love to answer all of your questions and help you understand more about FMT and the exciting science that is happening.